The all-in-one washing and drying companion, perfect for small families. The Smeg Integrated Washer Dryer. With an impressive 7 kg washing capacity and 4 kg drying capacity, this Smeg appliance can handle your week's washing in one cycle and make good headway on the drying, freeing your time up to spend how you want. The 1400 RPM spin speed ensures most of the moisture is spun out of your clothes, so the drying time is reduced. Ideal for cold and wet days when you can't hang out your washing. With 15 programs to choose from, you have all of your washing and laundry needs cared for, whether you have tough dirt on jeans or just need to freshen up lightly soiled clothes. The super fast 15-minute wash is great for when you need that particular outfit in a hurry, and the hand wash cycle takes extra care of your delicate items. With an A-class energy rating, you can rest assured you're doing your bit for the environment and helping look after your pocket too. The Smeg Integrated Washer Dryer.